The staff at Merredin College dreamed of a space that would encourage play and build resilience. Our old playground was surrounded by space that nobody used. We wanted to create a natural space that children could interact with. With the financial support of our sponsors, we turned this dream into a reality. The Goodiers donated all the rocks and John helped get them all onto pallets to shift to site. The Hardys donated a number of logs that were used to transform the environment. TransPlus donated the transport of the mulch, bringing it to Merredin on a backload. Chris Vandermeer cleared the whole site, making it ready for the playground to be installed. Staff volunteered their time to pull up the paving, and Great Eastern Freight Line helped us get all the rocks to site, making lots of trips. Landmark also helped to transport the rocks and provided the forklift to get them all onto site. The big machines were an essential tool for the job. By the end of the first day of the build, all the rocks and logs had been placed in their locations on site. On day 2, they could start building the playground items. The team from Nature Based Play provided the vision, but our volunteers provided all the labour. Our local businesses stepped in to help us as well. Even the local police came down for the day and planted our trees. The final day of the build was mulch day, and our volunteers came armed with wheelbarrows and rakes, and the mulch went in. We had a team of mums working behind the scenes to feed the volunteers, and IGA helped with the catering. The final job was to relay the paving. Then we could look back on a job well done. Chris Vandermeer donated his time to project manage the build, and without him and his team of volunteers, we wouldn't have the wonderful playground we now have.